This is 2020-24 ka banking chapter question, 3 marks question. Suresh has a RD account. Suresh has a RD account in bank. Deposit 2000 per month. And a bank pay interest at the rate of 8% per annum. He get 1040 as a interest at the time of maturity. Find the year of total time for which account was held. So number of years we have to find. So information given in the question is what and all given here. Principal is 2000 rupees. Then rate of interest R is equal to 8% and per annum and gets interest. So I value. Interest amount is 1040 rupees and we have to find the N1 question mark. N is question mark. So n is question mark. So with the help of formula, we can find principal high interest formula. We can find the value n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r plus r by 100. R by 100. P into n plus 1 into r by 100. So here principal amount is interest amount is given in the question 1040. Principal is 2000 into number of years is not given n plus 1. R is how much? 8%. 2 into 12 into 100. 24,000 भी लिख सकते हैं. So it will come as 1040 equal. Cancel कर सकते हैं ना. We'll cancel here itself. 2 ones are 2000s are 1000. Then 0 0 cancel. 10 into 8. 10 into 8 how much that we have to write. Okay, we cancel 2 ones are 2000s are, then 2 0 cancel, and 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. Okay, 40. 5 8s are 40 now. At the same time 2 3s are 2 4s are, now 5 4s are 20. That is the remaining 1040 and 20 into n plus 1 by 3. So I'll write here 1040. 1040 equal. So after cancelling 2 ones 2000s 0 0 cancel हुआ 10 रह गए 2 6 2 5 2 3 2 4 8. So 20 into n plus 1 by 3. So it means here no number. It means by 1 fraction कर सकते हैं. Then cross multiply 1040 into 3. Then remaining values. So 20 into n plus 1 equal 1040 into 3. N plus 1 equal 1040 into 3 by 20 come this side. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now 52 into 3 कितने आता है n plus 1 remaining here n plus 1 equal 52 into 3 is 156. I think 156. So n into n is n square plus n into 1 is n plus 156 इधर आने में minus 156 बनता है. So we have to solve and find the value of n. To find the value, to find the n value here, 156 है ना, 156 factor will find. 156 factor of 156 will find. बहुत लाइट हो गए ना. 156 लास्ट नंबर 6 मीन्स इवन नंबर से जाता है. 2 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, then 3 से 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 13 is a prime number. So now I'll write this n square plus n minus 156. n square plus n minus 156. Now multiplication, okay. Multiplication we have to, yeah, factorization method. So 156, factorization method, 156, 156 factorization method by n square into n square plus n minus 150, फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट नंबर. सो हमको माइनस 156 n स्क्वायर मिलता है. So center number n. Now multiplication we have to get 156. Addition or subtraction we have to get 1. 1. Which number? I factorize here, no? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 into 13. 12 into 13 is 156. So 12 into 13 भी ले सकते हैं और 13 into 12. So I'll write here 13 and 12. 13 से 12 subtract करने में 1 मिलते हैं. So n square means n. Then the greater number, plus symbol is for a greater number is 13. Subtraction करने पे हमको 1 मिल रहा है. Okay. So I'll write it as n square. Instead of plus n, we have to write the splitted value, that is 13n plus 13n minus 12n, then minus 156. First number, instead of plus 1, we have to write this group. So here n plus 13 minus 12. 12 ones are 12, minus into minus plus 12, 13 is both are same value, n plus 13, n plus 13, then our answer is correct. Okay, the common factor n plus 13 लिखेंगे, n plus 13, and the cofactor n minus 12 equals 0. So it means n plus 13 equals 0. So n is equal to minus 13, or n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n is equal to plus 12. Always positive value should take, not negative value. So always we have to consider positive value. This n value is 12. So write the answer as n is equal to 12. So number of total 12 months deposited by Suresh. Therefore total, ये सेंटेंस भी लास्ट लिखना चाहिए. यू हैव टू राइट दिस सेंटेंस एट द लास्ट मंथ. डिपॉजिटेड बाय सुरेश. That is 1 year. So here, this is a question. Principal. Okay. Now 2020-23 year repeated question है 4 marks. Salman deposited 1000 rupees every month. So deposit amount is 1000 rupees. And Hardy account for 2 years. So number of year is 2. I received 26,000 on maturity. So that is a maturity value. So I'll write here principal amount is 1000 rupees. And number of years is 2 years. 2 years equal to 2 12 24 month. Okay, 2 years. And he received rupees to 26,000 as a maturity value. So maturity value is 26,000 rupees. What information are given, that we have to write first. Okay, now write the formula. So here I written the formula. Now we have to do this. पहले प्रिंसिपल कितना है 1000 रुपीज़ एंड नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स 2 ईयर्स पर, तो मंथ पे 24 मंथ हो जाता है, मल्टीप्लाई विथ 12 एंड द मेच्योरिटी वैल्यू इज गिवन. राइट द फार्मूला प्रिंसिपल. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल इंटरेस्ट सलमान अर्न्स. सो फर्स्ट इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है, उसके बाद रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. सो विद द इंटरेस्ट फार्मूला हम try to find the interest value. Then maturity value is given, no? Maturity value given. So with the help of this, we can solve the rate of interest also. So principal is 1000 है into number of years 24 into n plus 1 means it become 24 plus 1 is 25 into rate of interest is not given by 2 into 12 into 100. 2 into 12 100. Now anything will cancel here. Yes, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. Now remaining is I equal to remaining things is 1000 into 100. So 10 into 25 is 250 R. So 250 R. I is equal to 250 R. Now we have to find I value and R. Say any one value we can find. एक value find कर सकते हैं. अभी दो value भी नहीं find कर सकते. So we write as it is. Okay. I equal to 50 R. Number लिखे cancellation. Then I value. The rate of interest of Salman is 250 R. We'll simplify later it. Then this is a A1. A option का answer. The rate of interest Salman the rate of interest now. So with the help of maturity we will find the rate of interest. अभी मेच्योरिटी फार्मूला लेंगे. मेच्योरिटी फार्मूला इज MV. मेच्योरिटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेच्योरिटी हम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो मेच्योरिटी फार्मूला मेच्योरिटी इज इक्वल टू P इंटू प्रिंसिपल इंटू नंबर ऑफ N प्लस I. So maturity amount is given, that is 26,000 equal principal is कितना पे कर रहे हैं 1000 into number of month is 24. P into N is a deposited amount मिल सकते हैं. P into N बोलता हमको deposit amount principal amount into I we have to find. Now 26,000 equal 1000 into 24 कितना आ जाएगा 24,000 plus I. So 26,000 plus 24 this side means minus बनता है 24,000 equal I. So interest equal 26,000 minus 24 means 2,000 rupees. Interest is 2,000 rupees extra. So every month deposit every month deposit के बाद so we get the every month after deposit amount we get value as 2,000 rupees interest. Now here we'll simplify the interest value. Here interest equal to 250 R. So हमारा interest है first one total interest Salman earns is how much 2,000 rupees. Now we have to find the rate of interest. Rate of interest. So simplify this value. So I we know that is 2,000. Rate here 250 into R. So 2000 by 250 equal R. 2000 by 250 equal R. Now cancellation. 0 0 cancel. 25 ones are 25 eights are 25 eights is 200. So rate of interest is 8% and interest is 2000. Now लास्ट में कभी भी एक सेंटेंस लिखना चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज़ द इंटरेस्ट व्हाट इज़ द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वो सब एक सेंटेंस में लास्ट लिखना चाहिए. सो आई राइट हियर देयरफॉर ए टोटल इंटरेस्ट सलमान गेट. सो वी हैव टू राइट द सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट वन क्या है द टोटल इंटरेस्ट सलमान अर्न्स दैट इज इंटरेस्ट इज मीन्स हाई दैट इज 2,000 rupees. Then rate of interest कितना है rate of interest is 8%. rate of interest कितना आएगा 8%. So this is 2020 um, 23 year 1 marks question. Naveen deposited rupees 800 every month in RD account for 6 months. If he received rupees 400, so Naveen deposited every month 800 rupees for RD account 6 month के लिए and he received 4884 at the maturity time. Maturity time means there is a maturity value. Maturity time पे mention हुआ तो that is the last interest के बाद हमको मिलते हैं ना वो amount बनता है. Then the interest he earns. Options are given. This is 1 marks question 2023. Like a 1 marks question. So first we'll write the content, the information what is given in the question. So what information are given? First we'll write the information what is given here. So principal amount is rupees 800. प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट कितना है 800 है. उसके बाद 6 मंथ मीन्स एन इज 6 मंथ. N is 6 months and he received 4484. That is a maturity value. Maturity value कितना है 4884 maturity value. Now we'll find the interest rate. So here 1 marks question. Check here. This is a 1 mark question. Then it is 1 marks question means we can use the maturity value formula. Maturity value equal P into N plus I. Deposited amount plus I भी लिख सकते हैं. So here maturity value is given, that is 4884 equal principal we know 800, number of years 6 months plus interest. Now 4804 equal 800 into 6, 8 6 are 48 plus I. So we can write 4884 minus 4800 equal interest. So how much? I is equal to interest equal 4884 minus 4008. Right, a subtraction we don't do it directly. A small mistake भी बन सकता है. So write and subtract. Okay, you get 84. Every calculation you write and do it side. टाइम लगता है बट स्टिल राइट एंड डू. डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक भी हो सकते हैं. सो आवर आंसर इज इंटरेस्ट 84 rupees. So option, which option? First option. So our answer is interest A is equal to 84 rupees.